Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today, little news, and we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. Okay, so I'm sorry if the light is really bad today. I'm gonna do my best, even though it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to do my best. I'll do a good video today. So I'm moving. This is why it's not the same background as usual, and there was a little week without videos this week. Didn't really have time to make videos for the upcoming week. So what there will be, it's just an unboxing. I bought a little box from Fragrance Buying. We're gonna do the unboxing. If you're in Canada, you know that it was Canada Day not so long ago, and there's always a sale for Canada Day since it's a Canadian company. I'm really sorry that the light is on and off. I'm gonna try to make it better for the unboxing. So big Canada deal, and we're gonna see what's there. I'm supposed to have something more, like the 1,000 something first order. They were gonna have a little something more in the box. We're gonna see. Also, it's gonna give you a little preview of what's coming for the next fragrance review. So if you've never seen the inside of these box, here's what it's look like. If you want to read it, you can pause. This looks better with the light. So what you have. So what my oh no, that's not my order. That's something that was given to me, but it's a little soap. It says in Spanish, soap on a rope. Oh really? Okay, I'm gonna open it after. Next thing that was not what I ordered. We then overdosed the Xerjoff, which will be the second fragrance I try from that brand. Now, what I ordered, it's Puros by Yves Saint Laurent. Let's see that little soap. Usually I don't use that kind of soap, but it's still nice. First time I have a soap on a rope. I saw it before, but it's the first time I have one for real. Now for little Xerjoff, I don't think there's nothing super interesting to show with this one. I won't try it yet. I'll do my own. My hand smells like soap a lot, so I don't smell anything from the atomizer. And then do my research. Do a little review on this. Now, Puros. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. Yes, I'll open it now. Just look at my video on Puros. You'll see the whole presentation again. Really looking forward for this one. It's supposed to be really great. I smelled it long time ago. I thought it was just smelling kind of clean and not really interesting. And there's a lot of fragrance I like that it kind of points toward Kuros. So maybe on my skin, it's going to be different. Maybe the way it evolves, it's going to be different. We're going to see. So that's about it for today. Again, I'm sorry that I'm not putting as many videos as before. Now I'm going to figure a better setup where I don't have my projector. I don't really know where they are right now, but I'm gonna do a better setup, maybe a different background than here, and eventually, nothing so long, but there's gonna be more videos. So hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, like and share. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.